Well, yeah, I'm Mike Crowshaw. I'm the managing director at Peak Converters. We are foam converters and fiber converters, mostly for furniture, but we also convert foam and fiber for many different industries: soft play, sports, mattresses, anything. But 75% is furniture. Okay, so the main reason we chose APER was that I've known APER for several years from our time in the mattress industry, which was back in 2015, I think. I was familiar with the equipment because we were looking at a roller glue line back then. I had a good reputation because I knew them through Andrew Brown, who was worked with us for many years. So when this project came up and I started talking or looking for another glue line, APER seemed like a natural fit. Well, the main factors that convinced us to purchase were the quality of the equipment and the confidence we already had in APER as a company. Another important point was that APER convinced me that the glue line could cope with furniture-related components, including fiber, which was more relevant to us because historically I just associated roller glue lines with mattress sheets and nothing else. So that was the main driver. Okay, so the benefits we're expecting are better efficiency, more consistent application of glue, so more consistent production, and an increase in speed, so the ability to increase our capacity as demand grows. Well, the support we received from APER during the process was very good. Communication was clear, and the visit I had was very good. Got to test my materials. They gave me plenty of time. Everything went well. So yeah, I was very happy. Looking ahead, we hope to build on this relationship for the long term, and hopefully continue working together. And I want to try and develop the machine further, particularly from an integration aspect. So I think we've already touched on sending orders in via our network and MRP system. I want to build on that, and hopefully with APER we can integrate it completely into our systems. At the moment of placing the order, our objective was to invest in equipment that would improve productivity and help us handle large volumes quickly and support the growth of our business. I think the consistency is, for me, the best part. So when a sheet or a piece of fiber is put through, we know if we get the settings right, that glue is consistently applied. There's no overspray. There's no parts sticking together. It's yeah. The quality is the same consistently through our production process.